The logarithmic quotient rule tells us that log base a of x divided by y is equal to log base a of x minus log base a of y. This rule follows from the combination of a few rules related to exponents and logarithms. If you are familiar with this rule related to negative exponents, the logarithmic product rule, and the logarithmic power rule, we can leverage these three rules to get the logarithmic quotient rule for free. Consider log base a of x divided by y. We can rewrite the inside of the logarithm as x times 1 over y, since x divided by y is equal to x times 1 over y. Next, focusing on 1 divided by y, we can rewrite this as y to the negative 1 power, using this rule here. We now have log base a of x times y to the negative 1 power. It looks like we have a product within our logarithm. We have two terms multiplied together. We have x times y to the negative 1 power. Since we have a product of two terms within our logarithm, we can use the logarithmic product rule. This will allow us to rewrite log base a of x times y to the negative 1 power as log base a of x plus log base a of y to the negative 1 power. Next, we're going to use the logarithmic power rule on log base a of y to the negative 1 power. Using this rule, we can bring the negative 1 out in front of this logarithm. But ultimately, adding negative 1 times log base a of y is the same as just subtracting log base a of y from log base a of x. Now, we started with log base a of x divided by y, and using rules we are familiar with, we had a string of equalities that led to log base a of x minus log base a of y. So instead of doing these steps over and over again, we can use this logarithmic quotient rule to jump between either of these two forms. Like the other logarithmic rules, we can go from the left side of the rule to the right side of the rule, which looks like we are expanding a logarithm into difference of two logarithms. We can also go from the right side to the left side, where we compress the difference of two logarithms with a matching base into a single logarithm. Before we go, let's also touch on the logarithmic reciprocal rule. For the reciprocal rule, log base a of 1 over x is equal to negative log base a of x. Consider log base a of 1 over x. We can rewrite 1 over x as x to the negative 1 power using this rule. We can then use the logarithmic power rule to bring the negative 1 power out front. This is the same as negative log base a of x. Quickly, we got that log base a of 1 over x is equal to negative log base a of x. For more videos related to logarithms, check out this playlist here. Support the channel by leaving a comment, liking the video, or subscribing if you found the video helpful. I'm Joe, and thanks for spending some time with me.